Dear friend, how are you? We are a company that has been engaged in turnkey plants and equipment manufacturing for oilseeds processing and vegetable protein for 46 years. In the past 2022, we have delivered the following projects. 1. 30,000 tons per year food-grade soybean protein concentrate production line and plant. 2. 80,000 tons per year feed-grade soybean protein concentrate production line and plant. 3. 250 tons per day sunflower seed oil solvent extraction production line in Russia. 4. 200 tons per day soybean oil refining and food-grade concentrated phospholipid product line. 5. 800 tons per day peanut pressing and solvent extraction. 200 tons per day peanut oil and rapeseed oil refining production line. Meanwhile, the following projects are under construction in 2022. 1. 70,000 tons per year feed-grade soybean protein concentrate production line and plant. 2. 500 tons per day soybean white flake production line. Pre-treatment, solvent extraction, and refining. 3. 500 tons per day soybean white flake desolventing section production line in India. 4. Soybean isolated protein sterilization and flash evaporation equipment and project. In 2022, we also won some honors and some invention patents. 1. Honorary title of SRDI Enterprise. 2. The Gold Award for Product Innovation at the 12th IEOE China International Edible Oilfield Expo. 3. Industrial Design Center was recognized as Provincial Industrial Design Center. 4. The honorary title of Manufacturing Industry Champion Enterprise. 5. Invention patents and utility model patents. Starting from 1976, we have more than 46 years of experience in oilseeds processing and vegetable protein engineering and machine manufacturing industry. In the past 46 years, we may not have grown with you. But in the next 46 years, we hope to continue to grow and expand with your business. In 2023, we invite you to come to China, visit our factories and our customers' factories, and see the projects we build. We look forward to creating greater value for you, growing with you, and sharing technological advances. In 2023, we are waiting for you.